Are you ready to challenge and unlock new levels of analogical reasoning? It's a 10-question get start for challenge. Question 1. Mountain is to valley as peak is to. The options are A. River, B. Canyon, C. Stream, D. Plateau. And the correct answer is B. Canyon. Question 2. Dog is to bark as cat is to. Your options are A. Roar, B. Chirp, C. Meow, D. Whistle. The correct answer is C. Meow. Question 3. Pen is to write as knife is to. Here are the options. A. Cut, B. Draw, C. Pierce, D. Build. The answer is A. Cut. Question 4. Fish is to swim as bird is to. Options: A. Fly, B. Hop, C. Sing, D. Run. And the answer is A. Fly. Question 5. Clock is to time as thermometer is to. Your choices are A. Temperature, B. Speed, C. Distance, D. Pressure. The correct answer is A. Temperature. Question 6. Book is to author as painting is to. The options are A. Artist, B. Canvas, C. Picture, D. Sculptor. The answer is A. Artist. Question 7. Salt is to taste as light is to. Here are the options. A. Vision, B. Color, C. Brightness, D. Darkness. The correct answer is A. Vision. Question 8. Sun is to day as moon is to. Options: A. Night, B. Evening, C. Light, D. Darkness. The answer is A. Night. Question 9. King is to crown as judge is to. Your choices are A. Throne, B. Wig, C. Robe, D. Gavel. The correct answer is D. Gavel. Question 10. Fire is to burn as ice is to. Here are the options. A. Cool, B. Freeze, C. Melt, D. Solidify. And the correct answer is C. Melt.